How do you invest in SIP, Systematic Investment Plan? And I'm going to tell you 3 myths to avoid. The SIP, SIP, is a simple mutual funds where one could invest a fixed amount in a mutual fund scheme periodically at fixed intervals, like per month, once in a month. SIP could be as small as just 500 rupees per month, and it is similar to depositing a recurring deposit every month, but you don't have to cut out a check. It's just a simple deposit, a debit from your bank account every month. It is from September 1996 till September 2022. The SIP returns varied from 15.7 to 15.8, irrespective of whether you did first of the month, fifth of the month, 7th or 10th of the month, 15th or the 20th or the 30th. Any day of the month is equivalently good to begin your SIP. Myth number one broken. Myth number two, that whether you do on a weekly basis, daily basis, or on a monthly basis, the returns are going to be irrespective of that kind of timing the market heard. It is important that you stay longer. So longer your investment horizon, higher is the probability of receiving decent return. Time in the market is important, not timing the market. So it's time in the market, not timing the market. Happy investing, SIP. This is Taresh, your financial freedom specialist. Thank you.